Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manny Martinez. Para los que no me conocen y para los que ya me conocen, hello guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm back with another waxing video. Bro, this is embarrassing. Look how long my hairs are. Like, they're so long. I forgot that they were that long. They look like my dad's hairs from his armpits, you know, like they're so long. I should have waxed this a long time ago, but I haven't. Also, this new setup, I don't know. I will find out whenever I edit the video. I will see if I really like it or if I don't like it. But for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is because it's late. I want to shower and I need to take these hairs. So I'm gonna start by using the pre-wax spray. Is to clean the areas and moisturizer. I'm gonna do my other armpit so I don't have to do it later. I'm gonna rub it on my skin. How embarrassing, dude. Not even my pussy hairs are this long, to be honest. I just waxed not too long ago, so I'm Gucci down here, but up here, no. Okay, so I have my wax already melted. I've been having it on for like, I want to say 15 minutes. I'm using this bluish kind of shade, and on the temperature is 192. I have put it down because I had it full blast. I had it like 200 something, to be honest, because this shit was taking forever. I was supposed to record this video, when was it? I was supposed to record this video Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, but for some reason I got busy. I turned off the camera and I unplugged the little warmer, so the beans were like hard on top, so it took forever because aparte de eso ya tenía like wax on the bottom and then it had hard beans on top, not melted but like kind of melted but not all the way, so it was like really hard for me to I don't want to burn myself. I think it's way too hot. I might just wait a little bit longer. What was I saying? I don't know, but I did my makeup. This is cute. I literally did purple, pink, and then I put glitter, and I was like, and the eyeliner, and it looked too simple. So last week I did this look with the little eyeliner like that, but it was like a little bit different and I loved it. It came out so cute, so I was like, you know what, let me add it, and I added it. And I don't know why I keep looking this way. I usually record the other way, and today I'm recording this way, so I don't know. Anyways, well, yeah. I don't know what the fuck I was saying. Oh, about my eyeshadow. It's cute, huh? Today I went to the store. I went to H-E-B and I didn't know they had Beauty Creations makeup. Literally, I was like, okay. I got new skincare products. I got 2 eyeliners, not eyeliners, lip liners from a brand. They were cheap, $5. I was gonna get one from NYX lip liner, and that shit was like $10. I put that shit back and I got 2 from this other brand for $5. So basically I got 2 for what I was gonna pay. This is still a little moisture, so let me put my arm up so it can dry. Okay, so hopefully I don't burn myself. Hold on. Oh my god. I need my mirror in front of me so I can see. Damn, man, my hairs are long. How embarrassing. This is not the best application, but I don't know why am I I don't know why I don't know why I'm applying this wax all ugly and funky, but whatever. I was thinking of something, bro. Like, me quedé pensando en algo. I literally forgot that I was recording, and I was thinking. That's funny. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this little palito away because it's getting ugly. I have this bag right here. I like that it looks better. Full of these little applicators. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I guess I just go back and add a little bit more right here to take off these hairs right here. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry. Hopefully I don't have to go back and forth. My back has been killing me all day, literally all day. I don't know why sometimes my makeup se me hace negro aquí. Like, you see, this side is not black and right here is black. Why? I don't fucking know. Okay, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little piece on the bottom so I can pull. I can't believe it. Oh my god, I got all the hairs. Is it better like this when I show you guys or with the back camera? Because I feel like my front camera is really good quality. Look at those hairs. Look how long those hairs are. What the? It smells like wax. It's crazy, man. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Let me put this mirror a little bit closer. Okay, now the wax is a little bit more hard. Thank God. I'm gonna bring it a little bit down so I can get some hairs that there was like left behind right there. Great. Tomorrow I'm gonna go tomorrow I'm gonna have a long day, so I'm trying to finish this early so I can shower and go night night because I had to wake up early. Good thing I already did so many things today. I got done so many things today, so tomorrow in the morning I don't have to do too many things. But yeah, I'm gonna let it dry. I'm so excited. I'm actually using, let me show you. I'm actually using these beans. They're not the same flavor, I guess. Me duele mi brazo. These ones are lavender, but the ones that I'm using, it was up something, but it smells so good. It literally smells so good. I forgot the name because I'm telling you guys, last time I was recording this video and I poured the little baggie, everything, and I threw it away because I forgot to save it to show it to you guys, to tell you the name of the beans. But it's the same brand, different name, and it smells so delicious. Hi. Okay, not bad, but my hair is still there, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more. You know the deal. Hopefully this is the last time I have to apply it. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. All right. Alrighty, I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I think it's ready to pull. Hopefully I get all my hairs. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Oh no, they're still there. I got most of the hairs though. You guys see those hairs? But I still have a couple more. And to be honest, I'm not trying to leave anything behind. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more. This is a little hot, to be honest. I don't make the best faces when I'm applying some wax on myself and it's hot. Okay, this time I'm gonna do it down. Okay, it worked. It worked. Trying to get that little wax right there. Fuck the wax. There you go. Okay, now all the hairs are gone. I'm gonna move on to my next armpit so I can go to sleep because I'm tired. Anyways, okay. I hate doing this arm because I'm right-handed, so yeah. Okay, this is actually a good view. Why this armpit feels like it's a little bit warmer, the wax, than my other armpit. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of the wax on the bottom. There you go. Okay, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. Not even gonna think about it. Don't think about it, just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Da, da, na, 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 na. You know that song? It hurt. I feel like this armpit or this arm, if anything, is a little bit more sensitive than this one. Trying to show you guys how long my hairs were. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got most of my hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a little piece right here so I can get these long hairs, and I'm gonna pull down. Hopefully I get all the damn hairs. But chateame, mamá. Okay, so I think it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull down like I did on the other side. Oh, I can finally go to sleep. Wait, it fell in there. Okay, so I went ahead and I turned it off. And usually what I do, I put the little lid like this. I unplug it from my vanity, move my mirror, sorry, and then, to be honest, I don't even let it cool down. I just go ahead and put it on the box, and I have the box right here. Let me put it in there and then I'll show you guys. All right, in the little box I put these little ones on the side. Okay, I'll throw away this shit. Bro, my back is so itchy for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the After Wax Spray Moisturizers and Smooth Remove Wax Residues. Residues. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my skin, even though I'm gonna shower right now. Okay, this is so soft. Oh yeah, it feels soft as hell, man. I feel like I have an ingrown hair, and not because it hurts, it's because it looks too dark. Okay guys, so I guess this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos of me. And if you do like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my rest of my social medias. So yeah, and I do makeup on people. Let me know if you want me to do your makeup. DM me on Instagram and I will give you my prices and mis availabilities. But yes guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day and watch one of my videos. I do appreciate that. But yes guys, I guess I see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, the kit that I use is gonna be linked down below.